Welcome back to the Calm Mind channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's crucial for everyone, but can be particularly intimidating if you're just starting out: personal finance. Now, you might be asking, why is personal finance so important? Well, understanding and managing your personal finance is the key to achieving financial independence and stability. It's about making your money work for you, so you can reach your financial goals, whether that's buying a house, starting a business, or retiring comfortably. In this video, we're going to break down this vast topic into manageable chunks. We'll start with how to create a budget, then move on to strategies for saving money, and finally, we'll introduce you to the basics of investing for your future. So, whether you're a recent graduate, a young professional, or someone who's looking to get a better handle on their finances, this video is for you. Let's demystify personal finance together and set you on the path to financial success. Ready? Let's dive in. Understanding personal finance. Alright, let's start at the very beginning. What exactly is personal finance? In simple terms, personal finance is all about managing your money. It includes all the financial decisions and activities of an individual or household: earning, saving, investing, and spending. These four pillars: earning, saving, investing, and spending, are the cornerstones of personal finance. And the goal? To achieve financial stability and independence. Think of it like building a house. Each of these pillars is a corner of your financial house. If one is weak, the whole structure could be at risk. That's why understanding and managing each aspect is so crucial. But why is personal finance so important? Well, it's simple. Good personal finance skills can help you avoid debt, reduce financial stress, and build a secure future. It's not just about making money, but also about ensuring that money is working for you. Remember, personal finance isn't a race, it's a marathon. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. So, let's start building that financial house, shall we? Creating a budget. Now that we've laid the groundwork, let's dive into our first pillar of personal finance: creating a budget. A budget is a financial plan that helps you track your income and expenses. It's like a roadmap for your money, guiding you towards your financial goals. So, how do we create a budget? It's a four-step process. First, you need to track your income and expenses. This means noting down all your sources of income and where your money is going each month. There are plenty of apps and tools out there to help you with this. Next, set your financial goals. These could be short-term, like saving for a vacation, or long-term, like planning for retirement. Your budget should be designed to help you reach these goals. Third, allocate your funds. This means dividing your income into different categories like housing, food, savings, and entertainment. A popular method is the 50/30/20 rule, where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% to wants, and 20% to savings and debt repayment. Finally, review and adjust your budget regularly. Your financial situation can change, and your budget should reflect that. Regular reviews will help you stay on track and make necessary adjustments. And there you have it. Creating a budget might seem daunting at first, but remember, it's a tool to help you take control of your finances. Saving money. Now that we've got our budget in place, let's move on to the next pillar of personal finance: saving money. Saving money is crucial for financial stability. It allows you to build an emergency fund, plan for future expenses, and even invest. But how do we go about it? First, cut down unnecessary expenses. This could be anything from that daily coffee shop visit to an unused gym membership. Remember, every little bit counts. Next, consider using saving apps and tools. These can automate your savings, making it easier to stick to your goals. Some apps even round up your purchases and put the change into savings. Remember the 50/30/20 rule we discussed while budgeting? It's also a great tool for saving. By allocating 20% of your income to savings, you're building a financial safety net. Finally, set up an emergency fund. This is a stash of money set aside to cover unexpected expenses. It provides a financial safety net, so you don't have to rely on credit cards or loans in a crisis. Saving money might require some discipline and sacrifice, but the peace of mind it brings is worth it. Remember, it's not about how much you save, but that you're saving consistently. Investing for the future. We've covered budgeting and saving, and now it's time to explore the next pillar of personal finance, investing for the future. Investing is the process of putting your money to work to potentially grow it over time. It's a powerful way to build wealth and achieve long-term financial goals. But where do you start? First, let's talk about the different types of investments. These include stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate, among others. Each comes with its own risk and reward profile, so it's important to choose what aligns with your financial goals and risk tolerance. Next, let's cover some basic principles of investing. Diversification, or spreading your investments across different types of assets, can help manage risk. Understanding your risk tolerance, or your ability to withstand losses, is also crucial. And remember, investing is a long-term game. Patience and consistency are key. You might be thinking, I don't have enough money to start investing. But that's a myth. Thanks to investment apps and robo-advisors, you can start investing with just a few dollars. The important thing is to start early and keep investing consistently. Investing might seem complex, but with knowledge and patience, it can be a powerful tool for financial growth. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to build wealth over time. Conclusion. We've covered a lot of ground today, from understanding personal finance, creating a budget, saving money, to investing for the future. Let's quickly recap. Personal finance is all about managing your money effectively. It's a crucial skill that can help you achieve financial stability and independence. Creating a budget is the first step. It's a roadmap for your money, helping you track income and expenses, and guiding you towards your financial goals. Saving money is essential for building an emergency fund and planning for future expenses. It's not about how much you save, but that you're saving consistently. Investing is a powerful tool for building wealth over time. It's about putting your money to work and growing it to achieve long-term financial goals. Remember, personal finance isn't a race, it's a marathon. It's about making consistent, informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. So, start today. Create that budget, start saving, and explore investing. Your future self will thank you. That's it for today's video. I hope you found it helpful and are feeling more confident about tackling your personal finance journey. Stay tuned for more videos on advanced personal finance topics. Until then, keep learning, keep growing, and take control of your financial future.